In this video, we're going to be looking at the quick access toolbar. So this right here is the quick access toolbar, and you can see that my quick access toolbar has the save button, then the undo button, and the redo button. Okay, so if I just write something here, click on enter. Now the undo button is available. If I click on the undo button, then the task has been undone, and if I now click on the redo button, then the task is back again. Alright, so that's pretty basic. Now what we want to know is that that you can rearrange the items in your quick access toolbar. So let's just say that I don't want my save button here but at the beginning, but I want it to be at the end. Okay, so to do that, here's a little drop down, you can see if you focus here. Now we're going to click on that. See that? Now we're going to go to more commands, and now you can see there is save, undo, redo. Click on the save and then click on this drop down, and it has now on the last position. Click on OK, and as you can see, my save button is now here. Now if I say that I do not want the save button on my quick access toolbar, to do that you just simply click on this arrow and uncheck save, and the save button is gone from the quick access toolbar. Now if you want something else here, let's just say we want email here, so just check email, and you have the email button here. Now let's just uncheck the email and then check our save button again. Now I want it back where it was before, so let's just go to more commands. You click on save, bring it back again, then click on OK, and it's done. Similarly, if you want to add something more than the options given here, you just go to more commands, and then you can choose from various list of commands given here. You can even choose from other commands. These are the popular commands. Then you have commands not in the ribbon, then you have all commands, macros, and so on. Okay, so let's just say that I want fill color or filter to be on my quick access toolbar. So let's just choose filter here, then click on add. As you can see, it is on the toolbar column now. Now if I want my filter to be just before undo, I'll just bring it up there, and if I don't want it there, I want it at the last position, I can rearrange the position as well, but I want it there, so it's settled. Now just click on OK, and as you can see, I have filter on my quick access toolbar. Now if I want to remove the filter from the quick access toolbar, I cannot find it here, and then I need to go to more commands, then click on filter from the quick access toolbar column, then click on remove, and it has been removed. Then just click on OK, and as you can see, the filter option is no longer in the quick access toolbar. So that was it for this video. I hope this was helpful for you and you got to learn something new. Thank you very much for watching. If you have found the video to be useful, please like and consider subscribing to the channel, as it will enable me to make more videos like this one. Thank you.